Welcome to AvaTax. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Avalara AvaTax Review My Usage Experience. Avalara AvaTax Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive solution for reviewing and managing sales tax calculations. It's primarily aimed at businesses, accountants, and anyone needing accurate sales tax compliance. Key features likely include tax rate calculations, reporting, and potentially integration with accounting software. Their website provides details on specific functionalities and pricing plans. Their website provides details on various pricing plans, and they emphasize the accuracy of their calculations. They highlight ease of integration with existing systems and the ability to automate the sales tax compliance process. The service aims to reduce errors and save time compared to manual calculations. Availability is likely widespread, but checking their website for specific regions is recommended. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Avalara AvaTax Review My Usage Experience. I initially used it to verify the sales tax calculations on several hundred transactions for my small e-commerce business. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The setup process involved connecting my existing accounting software, a process that took less than 15 minutes. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I quickly found the tools I needed to review individual transactions and generate comprehensive reports. The performance was excellent, results were instantaneous for most queries, and the reports generated were incredibly detailed and easy to understand. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, allowing me to quickly identify any discrepancies or potential issues. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated reconciliation feature, which saved me countless hours of manual work. I had a quick question about a specific tax code and their support responded within a day via email, providing a clear and helpful answer. One minor drawback was the somewhat steep learning curve for the advanced reporting features. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings and customizing reports to my specific needs. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Avalara AvaTax Review My Usage Experience. It's a powerful tool that significantly improved my sales tax compliance process, saving me both time and potential headaches. That's my overview of Avalara AvaTax Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AvaTax for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.